Okay, we're getting set up to do a streak plate. First, get all the equipment we need close to hand. So our two plates, the original and the new plate, the loops and our marker. As with any technique, always label before starting. So we're going to label our agar plate around the base with our name, the date, and the type of sample, which in this case is E. coli. So the writing needs to be small and neat and around the edge. We don't want to obscure the actual plate itself too much with the writing because we want to be able to see the colonies that grow up on the plate. Okay, next step is to get our loop out. So first, figure out which end is the handle end and open that end of the packet. Very important we don't touch the loop end, just the handle end. So we peel down the packaging enough to just expose a little bit of the handle, and then we're going to carefully pull one loop out, and we don't want that loop to touch anything outside of the bag. Okay, we're going to pick up a little bit of one colony on the source plate. Then we're going to put that plate back down and move it out of the way. Then on the fresh plate, we'll make a patch in the initial inoculation area, and then we're going to streak 4 lines out from that patch. Now note we're holding the plate on a 45-degree angle, and this minimizes stuff from the atmosphere falling on our plate. So rotate the plate around, ready for the next set of streak lines. We'll get a new loop. Again, being careful not to touch the loop on anything as it comes out of the packet. And from the first set of 4 lines, we're going to make a second set of 4 streak lines. Put the dish back in the lid and then rotate, and then we're ready for our last loop. And then working from that previous set of lines, we'll make another set of 4 streak lines. And then we're going to finish the plate off with a wiggle. Important that wiggle doesn't go back down into the initial inoculation patch. Okay, so we're done. Now we're going to incubate the plate agar side up so that any condensation that forms on the lid doesn't fall on our colonies. So here's a zoomed in view of the streak plate. So we're making the patch, and note that the loop is used edge on, so like a bicycle wheel on the road, making those streak lines.